Now that we have our hierarchy ready to go and everything is set up under the one parent, before we actually start adding materials, let's just quickly UV unwrap everything. It's gonna be quick and dirty just to make this process mini project complete basically. So in this case, we need to now disable backend instance because we're gonna have a bit problems when UV unwrapping. So let's try labs auto UV. Now there is a lot of polygons, so let's see. Yeah, this definitely not perfect, but I would say it's good to go. You would anyway do things with triplanar projections when texturing, especially in Substance Painter. Okay, let's go with the sphere. And here, let's try with, for example, UV unwrap. Let's see what happens. Nothing much. Here, actually, let me try with UV project. Let's select everything. And here in the settings, let's try cylindrical. Nope. Nope. Nothing really. Okay. So let's just go with UV flatten this time and see what happens. Now we can definitely cut here, for example, if we want. Okay. So this is all manually, so it would take some time. You can actually just press Shift A and middle mouse button to make a cut on an edge loop. Something like this. But all in all, if I check here, like distortions are not really that bad even with having these UV unwrap like this. But let's finish this one again. Shift A, middle mouse button, and that's it. Here under the UV vertex, we can actually display some of the UV things, for example, UV distortion. So we can actually check if there is a UV distortion here or not. So you can see with the red and this purpley bluish color. So either is distorted or I think shrinked or stretched. Anyway, unfortunately there is a bug, as you can see. I can only see those if I move the viewport, or if I move the viewport. So yeah, that's a bug which I reported a long time ago. But yeah. Anyway, let's continue. Yeah, I think that's just fine. Again, triplanar projection will do most of the job anyway. And here, oops, let's go down. Again. Let's try auto UV again. And try different options, and yeah. -6 is okay. Also, guys, another nice tip is if we click left mouse button here, and instead of moving our mouse, what we can do, if for example number 4 is highlighted like this, we can actually use scroll wheel on our mouse to go up and down through the menu, and then confirming the selection with clicking on my middle mouse button. That's something I use all the time, especially with cases like these, where I just quickly want to go through all the settings. And in this case, I think that this just fine. Okay. Okay, nice. That would be a quick and dirty way of making UVs basically. Okay, see you guys in the next video.